Most people think you need a warehouse, a huge budget, and a complicated business plan to make money online. See, that's actually false. You only need three things: a phone, the right product, and of course, a system. In this video, I'm going to break down all of that for you to be set up for success. And by the end of the video, you should actually have direction on how you can move forward, making money work for you, utilizing products and also the reselling game, and of course, an immaculate system that will help you propel to the next level. So guys, usually what I do is I create videos where I show you guys exact orders of resellers kits. I package them and then we go and package them off to the warehouse. But what I want to do is I want to actually go and break down what type of products come in the box individually. And I also want to talk about the build your own box method that we have on WESPLY as well. Now, if you don't know what WESPLY.com is, it is my website for my business, We Supply. Now, We Supply is a wholesale business, a wholesale distributor that I created for resellers like you and I. See, I got tired of waiting for my shipments to come in from Alibaba and AliExpress. I also got tired and frustrated with the shipping costs, and I decided that I want to make it more efficient, more convenient for us as resellers to be able to start our businesses without needing EINs, resellers permits, or business licenses, which you don't need any of that to actually buy products on my website. You can go right now, no matter your age, no matter who you are, and actually buy products, right? Freedom is key, and also the ability to actually try something is very imperative nowadays, because again, trying to resell is something that I would never ever want to be taken from me at all. Like, it kind of helped me change my life, my perspective, and also my profit, right? So one thing I want to tell you guys is WESPLY.com is somewhere you can get your trending products. But also we have resellers kits on there. These resellers kits are kits full of randomized products, and these products are trending throughout that week, or whenever you're buying it, it's products that are trending from that week, okay? Now, we get all the data of products that are trending from our eBay automation, which we're working with 300 plus eBay accounts on a daily basis, so we already see what's selling, what's not. Now, with these kits, you have two options. You can get 30 products or you can get 50. You can get 30 products for $250, and you can get 50 products for $320. But that's not all. We also know that we have some people that may not be willing to start that high. You may not be wanting that many products. So we have build your own box options, where you can build your own box, your own kit with your own products that you want, right? You can select individually the products you want. We have a 4-piece bundle, we have a 6-piece bundle, and also a 12-piece bundle, okay? Now you can choose different products individually in these bundles. You can go to WESPLY.com, go to the menu, and hit the build your own box option. Now, the reason we have all of these boxes and options is because we understand there's different entrepreneurs and different resellers out there. Now, one thing I will say that all resellers have in common is you need the right product to scale your business. Now, having the right product is important. Trust me, I would know, because it took me 6 months to sell my first product because I just didn't know what I was doing. And see, that is the benefit of watching me and working with me, is understanding that I'm going to help you bridge that gap and help speed up your process so that you don't have to go through as many failures as I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down what type of products come in this box, okay? No matter if you get the resellers kit or build your own box, these are the options that you have. Now, I'm not going to break down every single product, as it would take me probably an hour or two to do. But what I'm going to do is show you the different categories. Now, we have about 5 different categories that we work with and we store in our warehouse, 5 different sections. And we are going to actually talk about why we have those sections and how those sections can actually help you grow, profit, and most importantly, execute. All right, so our first section would be the iPhone chargers, okay? And chargers are really, really popular because they help you actually build your brand. They help you when it comes to your eBay account. They help you when it comes to your Amazon, your OfferUp, your Facebook Marketplace, because they help you get positive reviews fast. And what I mean by that is this is a low ticket item, which means this item doesn't cost the customer a lot of money, which means they don't have a high desire to complain. They don't have the high expectations. They are going to actually plug this into their phone. Once they see that it's charging, they're going to give you positive feedback, which is going to help you actually rank, sell, and also profit in different platforms. Now, one thing I will say is what I love to do is whenever I'm starting my own eBay or whenever I'm starting anybody's eBay over again for them, I love listing charges first, because these charges help you build a brand. They help you build a reputation. They help you build different type of feedback ranges so that people can actually see, okay, he's a fast shipper, he's somebody that ships quality, and etc. Now, if you're looking to actually utilize the resellers kit, of course you're going to get 10 to 20 of these cables in your box, and you're going to be able to bundle them and make more money literally by having them actually give you feedback, which is imperative for all selling platforms. So next is going to be the AirPod clones, or the clones in general. These are some of our best sellers, of course, but we are not limited to clones, right? We love clones. Clones help us scale faster, and that is why we utilize this as a category. So you'll be able to get some of these. You can get anywhere between 2 to 5 of these in your box, and these sell for a lot of money. Okay, we're talking about this one $60 to $90, this one about $40 to $80. Now you can go up to 120 with this, but you want to make sure that you're establishing selling history and also having good feedback. But again, these help you grow and profit, and we love seeing you guys sell these because these don't have any copyright infringement, so you don't have to worry about any bans. You don't have to worry about getting suspended because these are clones. We make sure we give you listing templates where you can actually list these and not have any problems from any type of eBay, Macari, or any type of service telling you, hey, you got to take them down because it's copyright infringement. But these don't have any Apple logos on them at all, and they are really, really great sellers, especially right now. Next are going to be the portable power bank. So we have these and include these in the resellers kits as well. Right now, summer is coming. You know, people are going to be traveling, going to the beach, going on vacation, amusement parks, all of that. You are able to actually sell these to these individuals because they are definitely going to need them. And of course, we have MagSafe power banks. These sell too, and these are actually trending. We utilize Apple's promotions to get these to sell as well. These are going to be in your box as well, and these are trending, have always been trending since like last year. So you can look for anywhere between a $7 to $21 profit from this. And of course, you're going to have this in your box. You're going to have plenty of them, and you're going to be able to sell literally from day one because of products just like this. Products that are marketed by Apple are easy to sell because people know exactly what they do already. So if we utilize Apple's marketing and the way that they promote, and we're selling a generic version, we're able to capitalize off of that, get the customer, make the customer happy, get the feedback, but also get the profit. Now, of course, next we're going to be talking about gadgets. So we're talking about anywhere from a MagSafe case to power stands to portable fans that you can plug into your phone. Now, we include these in the kits because we want to actually capitalize on potentially getting unique customers that are looking for things that are unique and things that may not be found everywhere, but we want to make sure they find them with you so that they can then binge and buy different products, whether they are Macari or on eBay. We want to attract a bunch of different customers, and that's what these kits make sure you do. Now, here's how you list the products from your box without staying glued to your phone or having to do too much, right? All you need to do first is take the products out of your box and list them on eBay, Macari, and also OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace if you would like. Now, listing these products on these platforms are easy, but we have listing templates that are below, and also we have them available at Hustlertaughtme.com, where we actually give you word for word what to say and how to list these products. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't want to pay for any listing templates, you can also do this for free, literally by going on these platforms, going to the sold tab, finding that product that looks exactly like yours that is selling, utilize the image and also description, and also you can utilize the price, make it 50 cents higher or lower, and list it. It's simple. List it. Stop overthinking and list it. We have listing templates to help you literally stop thinking at all and just copy and paste so you can start selling immediately, but list it. Don't overthink. Make sure you guys are doing a product research or using listing templates to maximize your sales. Now, next, I reschedule these listings every 3 days, And if they are not getting views, I easily take them down within a day or two and relist them. The reason is because we want to make sure we're refreshing our listings and revising to maximize them being seen and also sold. Now, of course, like I've said several times, I do bundles. So with the cable cords that come in the box, I'm of course bundling them every single time. Now, I may sell 1 or 2 individually, or I might sell 10 individually if I'm trying to get feedback. I rather sell chargers individually so I can get customers with a cheap price point. I'll sell them for like $3, have them pay for shipping, ask them for feedback, get that feedback. That feedback looks like I'm helping a bunch of customers when really I'm just selling chargers. And I am actually helping my brand get validation on these platforms to get more sales. Now, of course, I just want to make this very clear. I use the same titles, same descriptions as the listing templates, just like my students. I'm nobody special, and this is something that I do and duplicate and replicate and put it on to you guys too. I help you guys do the same thing I'm doing. I don't do anything different. I'm not profiting any other way. This is something that I actually do literally myself too, and I've seen success, and that's why I talk about it so powerfully and have so much passion towards it, because this success is something that everybody can duplicate, because it's more money out here and it's enough for all of us. Alright, so now I'm gonna give y'all a nice little bonus. Now, I automate. Now, automation is very important to me because I do not like going to the post office. Look at me. I hate going to the post office. The post office is a pain in the behind for me. So what I do is I automate. I make sure that I have my assistants list, ship, and provide these products for me. And I don't like the post office. I have it done for me. That's just it. Now, if you're a beginner and you're like, well, why would this work for me? Because $250 is not a huge investment when it comes to reselling. I spent $6K my first time buying wholesale products to fill my store, and you're getting enough products within this box, the 50 or even the 30, you're able to sell on multiple platforms, utilize these products, see what products are selling for you, and make sure that you have assets. You're turning $250 into assets that are worth $640 plus for you to be able to thrive, succeed, and most importantly, build your business right now. Now, if you want to start building and getting assets and products, go to wesply.com right now. Go ahead and get your product box, go get your resellers kit, or either build your own box. Your resellers kit, again, the 30 products cost you $250. The 50 cost you $320. And you also have an option to build your own box with individual products. You can do a 4-piece box, 6-piece box, or a 12-piece box. No matter what you choose, guys, we have a bunch of options for you on wesply.com, because we think as a reseller, you deserve options and most importantly, freedom to be able to work and make money work for you instead of just working for the money. Stay focused. Don't just work on that job. Don't just chase money. Start building your brand. Start outsourcing if you need. And most importantly, man, make sure you guys continue and don't give up. I'm going to be here no matter what. I got your back like a bra strap. I'll see you guys in the next video.